When we work out, we're stronger, we're sharper, we're healthier, we're happier. But it can be hard to fit that daily dose of endorphins in. We're overscheduled, we're stressed, we're sedentary, but we don't have to be. That's why we created the Double Flex Black. It's fitness that fits your lifestyle. The Double Flex Black is built to withstand your toughest workout. Patented Spiroflex resistance technology trains opposing muscle groups with each movement, helping you build a balanced body in less time. And we know it works. NASA used this same technology to train its astronauts in the International Space Station. A NASA study proved that Spiroflex resistance increased lean muscle as efficient as free weights. But unlike free weights, you only need one Double Flex Black. You can work out anywhere, anytime. The Double Flex Black delivers joint-friendly resistance training, so you can work out pain-free. You can even add new challenges to your regular workout routine. With the Double Flex Black, you get access to an entire gym's worth of resources for one low price. And you can take this gym with you, wherever you go. Plus, it comes with expert support, workout videos, a proven workout plan, and nutrition advice to help you achieve the results you want on your terms and your schedule. We need your help to bring this portable space-age fitness technology to life. Your Kickstarter pledge will fund tooling and manufacturing costs for the Double Flex Black. Together, we'll make getting that daily endorphins dose easier. Together, we'll be stronger, sharper, healthier, and happier.